Welcome to the adventures of Continuous Carl. Today, we'll explore the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening right now. We form it with am, is, or are, plus a verb ending in ing. Let's look at some examples. I am running, she is eating, and they're playing. Notice the ing at the end of each verb. Follow Carl as he goes through his day. Right now, Carl is standing up. Next, he is reading a book. Finally, he is running. To make a negative sentence, we add not after am, is, and are. For example, I am not running. To ask a question, we switch the order of am, is, and are with the subject. Like this. Are you studying? For yes or no questions, we can answer simply with yes, I am, or no, I am not. For more information, we use question words. What are you doing? Why is she crying? Where are they going? How am I doing? The present continuous can also talk about future plans. For example, I am visiting my friend tomorrow. Remember the key points. The present continuous tense is formed with am, is, or are, plus a verb ending in ing. It's used for actions happening now and for future plans. To make a negative, add not after am, is, or are. For questions, invert the subject and am, is, or are. Thank you for joining Continuous Carl. Keep practicing, and you'll master the present continuous in no time.
If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.